The home of South Carolina Circuit Court Judge Diane Goodstein has burned down after she had reportedly received death threats. State law enforcement is investigating the house fire on Edisto Beach, which began at around 11:30 a.m. ET on Saturday, sources told local news outlet FITS News. Goodstein was reportedly not at home at the time of the fire, but at least 3 members of her family, including her husband, former Democratic State Senator Arnold Goodstein, and their son, have been hospitalized with serious injuries. According to the St. Paul's Fire District, which responded to the scene, the occupants had to be rescued via kayak. Law enforcement has not disclosed whether the fire is being investigated as an arson attack. At this time, we do not know whether the fire was accidental or arson. Until that determination is made, State Law Enforcement Division Chief Mark Keel has alerted local law enforcement to provide extra patrols and security, South Carolina Chief Justice John Kittredge told FITS News, adding that the fire appeared to have been caused by an explosion. The 69-year-old judge had received death threats in the weeks leading up to the fire, multiple sources told FITS News. Last month, Goodstein had temporarily blocked the state's election commission from releasing its voter files to the Department of Justice, a decision that was openly criticized by Assistant Attorney General for Civil Rights Harmeet Dillon and later reversed by the state Supreme Court. The DOJ had sought the information, including names, addresses, driver's license numbers, and social security numbers, of over 3 million registered voters as part of President Donald Trump's March executive order restricting non-citizens from registering to vote. Non-citizens are already not allowed to vote in federal and state elections. The Trump administration has sought to drastically reshape the election system in the name of election integrity, by requesting and in some cases suing states for voter registration data to compile a comprehensive centralized database from more than 30 states, including suing several of them, and considering pursuing criminal investigations into state election officials. Critics have argued that the administration's efforts are an attempt at disenfranchising voters from marginalized communities and overstepping states' constitutional authority to control election procedures.